A9 2020 have been launched in India. The company has quietly announced two new A-series phones that pack a host of new features in a bid to disrupt the affordable, mid-range markets. In a very Realme-like manner, the OPPO A9 2020 tout quad camera system and large water drop displays. Please subscribe and like. The OPPO A9 2020 are quite similar to each other. They sport 6.5-inch nano water drop displays with Gorilla Glass 3 Plus on top. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 665 SoC, which is the same processor inside the Realme 5 and Xiaomi Mi A3. The new OPPO phone come with triple card slots to support 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. Much like the Realme 5 series, the OPPO A9 2020 also highlight quad rear cameras. The A9 2020 features a 48MP primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, a 2MP mono lens and a 2MP depth sensor. The OPPO A9 2020 sports a 16MP selfie camera. OPPO A-series phones support Ultra Night Mode 2.0, HDR and multi-frame technology. The phone also come with Dolby Atmos support and ship with Color OS 6 based on Android 9 Pie. Lastly, the OPPO A9 2020 5000 mAh battery. Thanks for watching.